To make a folded square dog like this, take 2 squares of paper and fold both of them in half. Then fold one of the pieces of paper to make a body with a tail. And then fold the other piece along both edges to make ears. And then like this to make a mouth and nose. Stick the 2 pieces together. Now add a square of different coloured paper inside the mouth to make a tongue. Decorate your square dog with stickers and add details with a pen. Your square dog is finished. Well done, Scraps. What a handsome hound. And you can make any type of folded paper dog you want.
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.